Man, I'm hunting for yellow faces again. Why is there so many yellow faces here? However, I have a different weapon to... You stupid yellow face. Bam! Yeah. Wait, you respawn. Hey, what is it? Wait, what is that?
I'm a cube.
Die. I hate the color yellow. Unless it's a yellow bird. Sorry I killed your cube and you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Well, I killed your cube friend. Well, I killed your cube friend. No, you won't.
Yeah. I will shoot this time.
I'm gonna shoot ya.
Oh! My shield.
Stupid guy. I'm gonna change my spot. Oh my god!
Boom, boom.
Just get that water gun.
Me dirty.
Get that water gun away. Bam!
Okay, come on, me dirty. Wait time. I'm not dirty. You can't defeat me.
Are you sure?
Boss battle time.
Oh my god. I'm gonna shoot a tire. Crap. Gosh dang it, you guys. Ow. You know what? I'm kind of done with you. Where are you? Got him. Okay. Now, this is surviving with Greenbird. Hey, shut up. I'm saying my intro. It's my new one. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, made my Okay. Where is he? Plane, you better be quiet, plane. I see you. You're somewhere over there. Oh my god. I gotta put that down. Plane, you disrespecting me. Disrespecting my privacy, plane. Plane's disrespecting me. I see you.
Hey, guys. Greenbird, you have a box for you.
Thanks, mister. I wonder what's in here. Maybe it's my pizza. And it's made by beef patties. I'm gonna kill it. Ow. Hey. Ow. Ow.
This is really hot, actually.
Okay. Now this, it was survival time. Let's turn off this camera.